guys, my name is Jazz and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, I discuss everything fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. And today, I'm surprised I even had this to show, and I just felt like I needed to share it because I'm surprised I even got it. Today will be a Telfar bag unboxing. I mean, how did I even score one? If you want to see the bag I got, what I think of it, stay tuned. If you guys are not subscribed to my channel, you can subscribe right here, right now. I upload once a week. But besides that, let's get into it. So I got me a Telfar bag. If you guys are not familiar with Telfar Clemens, he's a Liberian black designer. So these bags took off during the pandemic. Everybody wanted to have one, including myself. Of course, once those lists started to come out, black brands to shop, I saw the bag, I was immediately interested, and I was like, oh cool, bags for everyone. And I was like, not a big deal, I can order one. And then ever since I've been trying to order one since March, I could not get one. Literally, I will be at work, trying to put it in my cart, and then I check out and the bag is gone. And then they did the bag program in September where you would purchase the bag and then I guess you can get it between December and January. I didn't want to do that because I want, I'm a person, I order something, I want it now, give it to me now. So luckily, one of my followers, thank God for her, she told me that Telfar made it to Oprah's favorite things of 2020. And then I got it off of Amazon. So literally I ordered it Friday, Sunday at my doorstep. Unbelievable. Now unfortunately they're sold out, but of course they're always doing drops, and if you do the bag security program, you will get your bag soon, I hope. And if you guys do get it soon, let me know when you get it. But I just really got lucky, so lucky. I don't even know how lucky I got. But anyways, it came in Amazon, they slammed it on my door. I just left it, in front of my door like a piece of trash, but we're not gonna talk about that. The bag comes this way in plastic, so I'm literally opening it for the first time. So on Amazon, they just had the medium size shopper, which is $202. They literally only had tan, cream, green, and navy. And I figured I would get the tan because that would go the most with my wardrobe. I can wear it with neutral, black, and whatever. So it comes like this. Telfar duster bag. So exciting. So let me open it. So they only have the one size, which is the medium. Oh, I'm not a huge purse girl, but I figured I wanted to support, and it was really affordable, so I figured I would get it. But let's look at the bag here. This is the medium size. It's pretty much wide enough where you can if you look inside, you can fit a laptop in here, notebooks. I kind of like this bag size because when you're going to travel, once we get to do that again, you can kind of take it and kind of have it as your all day, everyday bag. But feeling it, the quality feels really great, and the sizing is the perfect size. Oh, I took the tie off, so it actually has, I didn't realize this was a double strap. So I guess when all the pictures I saw online, when I saw people having it, I assumed that it was just the one strap. I didn't think it was the two. So if you were thinking about getting it, I know they have their next drop this Monday. That's supposed to be a new chocolate brown color, which I was oh my gosh, immediately interested. But the robots, the bots that are on that site is no joke. You can literally put the bag in your cart and go to checkout, and put in your card information. And by the time you hit pay, the bag is gone. So let me know if you plan on getting the new drop this Monday. But yes, so it comes with the two straps. I probably will end up tucking in one like this, just so I can have the one strap. But I guess if you, depending on what you have inside the bag, the double strap will actually be good. And the bag smells so good. I love how good leather smells. But again, if you guys want to see inside completely, it's just plain inside. It has a one zipper here where you can put your your keys and kind of your cards or whatever small things that you may have inside your bag. And the color is actually really, really perfect. For me, I know they have so many different fun colors. I think at first I was okay, I want to get red, I want to get this, but I'm kind of glad I got this color, which I can kind of wear all the time because I plan to get my wear out this bag. I did think upon like first impressions, I thought the bag, because I don't consider myself like a bag girl, so if I do have a purse, it's something like really small, like a small like crossbody, or something really that if I go out to brunch I can have like my little small bag. I thought the medium was gonna be a little bit smaller, so it is technically like, this is a full size like bag. So if you're somebody who's like, oh, I want like a small crossbody, then I probably would get like the small size one. But I'm still gonna rock it. I'm still gonna rock it because like now when I have like things that I want to take with me, like my computer, I won't have to put it in like my Adidas bag. I'll have this one, which is really a little bit more sleek. But other than that, I really like the bag and I think the quality is worth it. Like, I definitely hope, I know they have such a good problem where people are like scooping up these bags. I know a lot of like resellers are selling them for $600. I would not pay that. I would just stay patient. I think when people, you know how with Amazon, since everything is sold out now, I think once people return or may not like it, you can scoop up one. But I definitely say it's worth it. And you get to support like a Black owned business. And I feel like now more than ever it is so important to support small Black owned businesses because, like, you know, Birkin, you know, they already have a name for themselves. You know, get a Telfar bag, so worth it. But let me know, guys, in the comments if you have been able to grab a Telfar bag yet. Let me know what you think about this. And I'm going to show you actually like a few ways that I plan on wearing it and how it looks now with it on my full body. For reference, I am 5'7", but I'm going to show you how long it is and how it hits my side and how it looks when I'm just holding it like this with an actual outfit that I will wear. But other than that, guys, that is everything. I can't believe I got it. Like, I still can't believe I have it. Let me know what you guys think about the color. Let me know what you guys think. And don't be afraid to like this video and subscribe. I upload once a week. And until next time, guys, be safe and be well. Bye.